Go out and get more. More hydration to try new things. More refreshment to go further, and the right minerals for a better performance. Let's try Nature Spring Drinking Water. The natural spring purified drinking water is 100% came from natural spring. This water can be your partner while doing your daily exercise and sports. This is also ready to drink that make it super easy to quench your thirst. In Nature Spring, you are sure that it is safe and pure distilled water. This water is trusted, affordable, and recommended. It is naturally refreshing, naturally quenching. So stay hydrated, drink Nature Spring.